Boys want to build a kicker jump. Cheapest way to go would definitely be a pallet. So this is a jump made out of a pallet. You're going to help me, aren't you? Hey? Or not? I've got some ideas in mind already about how I want to use the timber and how I want to use thicker pieces of timber. These ones here I think will become part of the frame, whereas these ones here are part of the kicker itself. Probably made a mistake yesterday. I cut this one down so the boys could make a brand new sign, bike park or bike jump or whatever, going to paint on it. I probably should have kept that one longer. I might have to go get myself another pallet just for this. Anyhow, we'll see how far we can get. How wide you want the ramp. Is that wide enough, do you think? We can go wider if you wanted to. No, keep it that wide. Easy, thanks for your input. It might absolutely be better there. Yeah, that's exactly what it's gonna look like.
That looks good then.
Happy with that? Yeah, cool, all right, let's do that. We're definitely getting there. These are support brackets I've put in now, but obviously they're not going to stay this high. That's going to come through, so I'll end up cutting the excess off here. A 6 centimetre gap between these. This is to add the stability, so there's no side-to-side movement. All sorted. I reckon about there. What do you think?
Yeah.
Can you visually picture it? I can picture you both going over the handlebars. So I'm just making some measurements now to make sure it's even on both sides. Bit of old-fashioned saw work here. Easy. It's all finished and it's all done. So let's see if it works. Lift it up high enough. Look at that. Perfect. Nice and maneuverable. So we're all finished, but these boys are keen to go and send it. So let's go send it.